Not impressed by the Cobra's old-school firepower, but still want punchy close air support? Pakistan feels you, and their answer is the brand-new Z-10ME gunship. Let's break it down. Deliveries of the Chinese Z-10ME helicopter to Pakistan reportedly started late last year, with frontline deployments spotted by mid-2025. You'll see these birds wearing dark camo and clear Pakistan Army markings. The Z-10ME is a seriously upgraded attack chopper. Think WZ-9G engines for better altitude, graphene and ceramic armor for pilot protection, and a full suite of defensive tech radar warning, missile approach alerts, even directional IR countermeasures. It's packing a 23mm cannon, up to 16 missiles or rocket pods, plus loitering munitions. With a 796 kilometers range and service ceiling over 6,000 meters, it's built for tough terrain. Strategically, this marks Pakistan's shift toward Chinese hardware, especially after US and Turkish deals hit roadblocks. And with India ramping up its Apaches, the Z-10ME's arrival just raised the stakes in South Asia's helicopter arms race.